Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another driving video. So we're coming off the Mandela Highway, recently I would say built and expanded, and even this bridge that we're gonna go on is also new. So we're going into the Plantation Heights area, basically on Tom Kringle Drive, and we're gonna do a drive around the relatively new Kingston 876 Commercial Park. So the signs are saying Ferry Police to the left, Idle to the left, Tropical Battery to the right, and Plantation Heights and Tom Kringle Drive to the right. So we're going to the right. So over this new commercial park, there's a lot of companies that are already over there, and more to come as well. We have Tropical Battery, we have Nestle, we have Chapman trucks and other equipments, we have Raymore Trading, and quite a few others. There's a BPO, there's a factory that's available to be leased. So quite a few companies are currently over there. So it's the Kingston 876 Commercial Park, being developed at a cost of 30 billion Jamaican dollars. So that's what we're gonna take a look on today. After this video, I'll work on a drone view. I already did a drone view of the area. So Commerce Avenue to the left, they're starting to name the roads that they created. Right, so I did a drone video of this area before, but there is a factory being developed in front of Chapman. We're gonna take a closer look on that in the next video via drone, so you guys can stay tuned for that as well. So we're gonna take the left right here onto Tom Kringle Drive, and the first place we're gonna look at is Nestle Jamaica. This is their distribution center. They're about 2 to 3 years they have been here now. So before this they were in Bagwalk, which was their distribution center and their factory as well, but they no longer have a local factory, they're only doing distribution now. So this is their distribution center. So they're at the front, they're one of the first tenants by this commercial park. And let's continue. So we're gonna take the left, go down by Tropical Battery side, then come back around, and I'll highlight all the places as best as possible. To the right, I think it's a distribution company as well, and warehouse storage. The walls are very high, so you can't see much other than the building, but I think they do distribution of some kind. Then they name this road as well Automotive Parkway. So that's the name of this left turn right here. To the right in the screen is a call center or a BPO. I don't think they have found a tenant as yet, but I think they're ready for a tenant. And then to the left was Nestle back gate. So still a lot of acreage available, a lot of land space still available for even more development, but the tenants are coming one by one. So this is a BPO. I'm anxiously waiting for a tenant. And then to the right is a factory outlet that they created in record time, less than 12 months, probably less than 8 months. They created the factory on the right. I guess you'll have a better view when we're coming back around. So we're still on Automotive Parkway. What they seem to be doing as well is to be dumping up the land, because it's lower than the road. So when rainfall, a lot of water will settle. So they seem to be dumping up the land to help with that. So we have Northwood Developers. I like that when I'm coming back as well. So I guess somebody else is coming soon. So we have good roads here. The roads can't get any better. So perfect roads. They have sidewalks, signs, you have light, electricity, street lights. So it's really a decent development they're doing, as we see persons are even sweeping the street. So the developer is obviously spending just to keep the place in good order. I know there is drainage, and as I said, they're dumping up some of the land. I think on the left is like a pump station or a National Water Commission facility. On the right you see a tractor excavating. Then in front of us is the Tropical Battery. This is a new factory they built right here. So this is a part of Tropical Battery expansion. So they're right in front of us. So we won't go in. Oh, just showing you guys around the area. So that's Tropical Battery with their big yellow. In the hills you have a few houses and persons squatting in the hills. But I guess probably what they'll do eventually is like make a big perimeter wall around the facility. Or probably each developer they probably make their own wall just to separate the residential settlement in the hill. Alright, so we're gonna head back out to where the BPO is, and then we'll take the left. So the street is clean because I see somebody sweeping. You don't see any garbage. So that's really good. So they're really making an effort. Let me know what you guys think though. Share in the comments. Still a lot of land for development. I know there was talks for Amazon to have a warehouse out here as well, in Jamaica, but also at this location. So let's see where that will go. Because with this amount of land, you know, the biggest size warehouse you can think about can hold over here, and I'm sure that will, you know, provide a lot of jobs, you know, both for trucking, logistics, everything, and that would be really good. And I'm thinking that Amazon, you know, such a big company, may have a very good salary compensation as well. So there's a little thing here, so I guess probably a development will start soon. Gotta usually make up their offices first and then they start coming in. And then that's the factory in front of us, Commerce Avenue. Sorry, warehouse. So it doesn't have a tenant yet, but let me drive down here. So this road leads to, oh, they connect it now. So this road leads to another, but I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna turn back eventually. So let me turn right here so you guys can probably see another view of this warehouse. So it says KIXLife.com, certified new motor vehicle dealer. So I'm not sure what's gonna come here. I'm not sure if this is a tenant already, and probably based on how it's designed, you can have multiple tenants as well, so that would be good. So if probably you need some warehouse space, then you can, you know, lease a section, not necessarily the entire building. So that's how it's looking to me. It seems to be sectioned off, which is good. So we'll keep checking up. So trucks unloading over here. So we'll keep checking up on these developments so that you guys can, you know, see exactly what's happening. Alright, so it's an overcast day, not a lot of sun. So we're gonna go on up and then take that left turn. the left is Distribution Boulevard. Don't really have anything around that side. And then we have Chapman Trucking. Alright, so I'm gonna turn in a little bit, show you guys. So that's Chapman, so they have tractors, truck, forklift, you name it, they have it. So this is a Chinese company that has partnered with Tankwell Metals, two major companies. Over the last couple of months, you know, the amount of new Chapman truck that is now local is a lot. You know, a lot of companies are upgrading to Chapman trucks. So this is the new warehouse that they're building. Massive in size, massive. Last drone video I did, they were just only doing foundation. Now they're putting on roofing. So we'll do another drone video to highlight this warehouse a little more. Then, as I said, other companies are here, such as Raymore Trading. I'm also seen a cement mixing facility as well, which I'll show you guys at the end. So Tankwell have a facility on the left, a warehousing facility on the left as well. Let me just show you guys a little bit. So this is a Tankwell facility over here. So a lot of big warehouse around this side, warehouse and distribution. So the last place we'll take a look on is Raymore Trading. Alright, so Raymore Trading is on the left, and on the right is the perimeter fencing for the massive warehouse that they're building. So that's basically one of the last places we're checking out. Then I'll show you guys the cement mixing facility as well. So this would be the back gate for the warehouse. So well secured, perimeter fence all around, lots of equipment, lots of work happening, and I'm not sure if it's a Tankwell facility, but let's see in due time. And even when they're finished with the factory, there's gonna be so much space still left. They can build one more the same size. So this is the Raymore warehouse. As you guys can see, very massive, very long building. Zoom in doesn't help. So that's a massive building there. So it's a distribution center / warehouse. Alright, so that's the Kingston 876 Commercial Park. That's where we are today. Remember to leave your comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this commercial development. Comment. Alright guys, and then one of the last thing I'm going to show you guys, which I've mentioned, is the cement mixing plant, which is on the left. Well, it's basically over here. So just giving you guys a little glimpse. So yeah, lots of work happening on this side. So all different type of business, from cement mixing plant to warehousing space to distribution to Nestle to Chapman. So a lot of different companies over here. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for clicking on the video. Thanks for liking, and definitely leave a comment as well. So thanks for everything you do, guys. Really appreciate it. And definitely see you on another video.